Here's a Chicago forecast on this Tuesday. Ray Stajic here at the Weather Channel, and we've got a few more showers, thunder showers to deal with as we still have upper level low pressure to get through, and it'll stay a little unsettled now. 0.64 inches of rain yesterday, and it looks like now we're going to see temperatures staying in the mid 60s with a little more rain scattered around. Not a big shield of rain coming on in, but at least some thunderstorms and showers. Joliet about 66 in town, as said, mid 60s. Aurora 65. Gary, little rain and 66. But the weekend, at least our first shot at it here on a Tuesday, looks real nice on Saturday. A few clouds and about 57 degrees. How about Sunday? Well, more of the same. More beautiful weather settling on in here as we'll go sunshine and 56 degrees with a daytime high. 5-day forecast showing a little bit of rain, thunderstorms today, some showers on Wednesday. So still can't shake the wet weather. 57-51, the high-low split. Thursday, clouds and sunshine. Most of those clouds in the morning. 61. Good-looking Friday, partly cloudy, 65 degrees. And on Saturday, a little cooler, a high of 56.